of Karachi Kings for PSL 3. Imad Wasim, young all-rounder from Pakistan, will be captain of Karachi Kings. Shahid Khan Afridi, from Pakistan. Colin Ingram, from South Africa. Mitchell Johnson, from Australia. Mohammad Amir, from Pakistan. Babar Azam, from Pakistan. Mohammad Rizwan, from Pakistan. Osama Mir, from Pakistan. Ravi Bopara, from England. Karam Mansour, from Pakistan. David Luiz, from South Africa. Luke Wright, from England. Tabish Khan, from Pakistan. Irfan Khan Jr. will play from Karachi Kings. Hussam Mohsin, from Pakistan. Colin Munro, from New Zealand, selected as supplementary player. Owen Morgan, from England, also selected as supplementary